Okay, I'm going to show you how we do a multiplication equation using an area model. So this is called a 2-digit by 1 digit because we have 2 digits by 1 digit. But first I wanted to show you what your child learned in 3rd grade. So this is called an array. And if you counted the squares down the side, we have 6, and then we have 8 going across. So we would call this a 6 by 8 array, and it would give us a total area of 48 because there's 48 squares if we counted all of them. So this is called an array, and we can find the area by multiplying 6 times 8. So in 4th grade, we're going to multiply using an area, but instead of drawing all the squares, we're going to do an open area. So what we're going to do is we're just going to estimate our size. So we're going to do a 17 by 3. And we're going to break apart the 17, and we're going to do 10 plus 7, which is why we learn expanded form first, times 3. So we're going to do 3 times 10, which is 30, and 3 times 7, which is 21. Now if we added these two rectangles together, we would get a total of 51. So 17 times 3 is 51. Now if we do a 2-digit by 2-digit, let's do 32 times 46. All right, we're going to solve the same way. So we're going to do about 32 by 46. Now you can put the pluses, but you don't have to. Now this is a rough drawing. So we have 40 times 30, which is 1200. And then we're going to do 40 by 2, which is 80. Then we're going to do 6 by 30, which gives us 180. And then we have a 6 by 2, which is 12. Okay? And we learn about the powers of 10. So if we know what 4 times 3 is 12, then we know that 40 times 30 is going to give us 1200. And same thing, if we know that 4 times 2 is 8, then we know 40 times 2 is 80. Okay, so once we've got the area of each of our rectangles, then we're going to add them up. So we have 1280 here, and then we have 192. So we're going to add our ones, our tens, our hundreds, and our thousands. So we get 1,472. Now how we relate this multiplication to division, if you look right here, this is where we get our division symbol from. Because if we take this amount, which was in here, this 1,472, and we divide it by 46, we're going to get 32. Okay, so this symbol right here, this is where it came from. Okay, so 46 times 32 gives us 1,472. So again, this is called an area model, and I will be showing you how we do partial products in another video.